What's up, guys? I ran into a couple issues when I was doing up my gauges. These are the Defi BFs, the 60 mils. And so I think I was going to go over it real quick. Let me just show you the result real fast. That's daylight, and I'm using like on. That's dim, so on, dim. So, anyways, so what I used was this guy here. This was from my OEM set. This is the harness. I used purple constant, orange is switched, and black is ground. So it's pretty much, yeah, that's from the car side. So on the Defi side, I think it was orange, red, orange, and black. It's already packed up. I don't remember what it is. Oh, here we go. So that's the Defi side. So it's red, orange, and black. It would be purple, orange, and black from the car side. Anyways, Defi also had a white, which is your dim, which is what's going on here. That you have to source from here, because there's a yellow and a blue in here. You don't want to use that. That's not what you want to use. This is your the red is your illumination positive. That's your 12 volt. That's what you want to use. You have a white one in there too. It's your illumination negative. That's not it. So yeah. So that was the issue. Oh yeah. As far as pulling those through, you've got a to get to that, you have to open your hood, pull out all the plastic over the battery, so you can see your firewall. You'll see where the main harness goes in via rubber, like weather rubber deal. I don't know what the hell it's called. I'm sure you'll tell me. Just poke a hole in that, and then just clean it up with some rubber epoxy or just tape over it, whatever you can do to just weatherproof it, and then just snake it through. And I was originally going to put it in the glove, but this is a smarter place to put it. I'm gonna latch it up. I'm gonna get a couple brackets and put it up here, get it off the radio, and that's that. So I'm gonna put something here too before I button all this up. Well, I'm gonna get a dimmer wire snaked over, because I've got a pillar with a pod coming for another gauge. Anyways, I hope this helped. Again, that's dim. Yeah. It looks so easy. Pain in the ass to figure out on the net. I'm not technical genius, so I had to deal with it. And now you don't. All right, leave any comments if it was good. If it sucked, keep your comments to yourself, because you suck. And thank you very much for watching.